Okay, hello everybody. We will present today the Hdyon product range that we are starting with. These kits are prototypes, let's say beta test phase of the product. We are launching the product in the Hdyon Wood Edition with the wooden pipe, and we are launching the product in the Carbon Edition with the Hdyon carbon pipe. This one is made of 3D printed carbon polymer, and this is handmade with wood turning. Each pipe have the Hdyon medallion on the top, and the starter kit comes with a box full of empty cartridges, 1, 2, 3, 4 empty cartridges, and comes with the refill kit. You see it here. Refill plunger, extraction cap to extract the cartridge from the pipe, and with 3 nozzles. Blue nozzle is the 0.4 millimeter, yellow nozzle or orange is the 0.3 millimeter, and the white nozzle is the 0.2 millimeter. You choose your preferred nozzle depending on the content of the liquid that you can fill in the cartridge that you like to taste. What we offer are also boxes of full cartridges. In this case we have 4 Scotch Whisky cartridges full, and if you buy the full cartridges you can taste the Hdyon system right away. If you don't buy the full cartridges, you have to fill the cartridges by yourself. Take the nozzle, and enjoy Hdyon. Thank you very much. Cheers. That's nice. Wow. That's nice. Perfect. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.